So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D stacked area chart on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top here and press on chart located between text and table. Simply press on chart. Make sure that 2D is selected. So for example, if you're on 3D or interactive, just make sure that 2D is selected. Now, if you're looking for a stacked area chart, go down to the third row right here, and it's the second option right here. As you can tell, this is now a stacked area chart. If you want to verify that, press on the chart, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type, and make sure that stacked area chart is right here. But you can also choose whatever chart you're looking for out of these options. So very simple, very basic, very straightforward. That is how to add a 2D stacked area chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.